Hi there, my name is Cyrus Shafi'i. I'm a current junior at the University of Puget Sound, studying in the Business Leadership program. I'm standing in Jones Circle around some of the oldest buildings on campus: McIntyre, Jones, and Howarth Hall. These buildings are home to a mix of academic departments and administrative offices. If you need to find the registrar, student financial services, the office of the president, or the office of alumni relations, you should head on into Jones. Jones Hall is home to the Department of Theater Arts, African American Studies, and Communications. The Norton Clap Theater is also in Jones, which is where you can catch some of our amazing theatrical productions. McIntyre is home to most of our social sciences, such as business and leadership, economics, international political economy, and sociology and anthropology. As a business leadership major, I've definitely spent my fair share of time there at McIntyre. Located in garden level is Rausch Auditorium, home to our weekly campus films and security services. The final building in Jones Circle, Howarth Hall, houses our School of Education, as well as several offices for student support. Among them are our International Programs Office, Student Accessibility and Accommodations, Career and Employment Services, and the Office of Experiential Education. Howarth is also where the Center for Writing, Learning, and Teaching is located on campus. My other on-campus job here at Puget Sound is actually at the center as the Accounting and Finance subject tutor, and I've loved my experience there.